Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study your Bible better step by step. Begin with a short prayer asking for guidance and clarity. Pick a manageable passage and read it aloud twice, noting words that stand out. Write a single question to guide your study, then research context and cross-references. Take brief notes and summarize the main point in one sentence to help retention and application to daily life. Observe the text carefully by scanning for repeated words and notable contrasts that reveal emphasis. Identify the speaker, audience, and historical setting to ground your interpretation. Circle commands, promises, and warnings so you can separate instruction from narrative. Use a simple notebook to record observations and initial insights. These steps turn passive reading into active study and help you notice themes that connect across chapters and books. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more studies like this. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Try Darn Tough with that lifetime warranty for comfort during long reading sessions. I wear them while journaling, and they make study time feel cozy and focused. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Interpret the passage with humility, comparing helpful translations and notes to clarify difficult words. Look for parallel passages to build a fuller view of the teaching or doctrine. Translate meaning into application by asking how this should change thinking or behavior, then commit to one practical step you can take this week. Share your insight with a friend or group to reinforce learning and invite accountability.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.